Fever, also known as pyrexia, is a medical condition characterized by an elevated body temperature above the normal range. The normal body temperature for most people is around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius, but it can vary slightly from person to person. Fever typically occurs in response to an infection or illness and is one of the body's natural defense mechanisms. When the body detects the presence of viruses, bacteria, or other pathogens, the immune system responds by releasing chemicals called pyrogens. Pyrogens act on the hypothalamus, which is the part of the brain responsible for regulating body temperature. They cause the hypothalamus to reset the body's thermostat to a higher temperature, resulting in fever. Fever can be classified into different categories based on its severity. 1. Low-grade fever, temperature between 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 101.3 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius to 38.5 degrees Celsius. 2. Moderate fever, temperature between 101.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 103.1 degrees Fahrenheit, 38.6 degrees Celsius to 39.5 degrees Celsius. 3. High fever, temperature above 103.1 degrees Fahrenheit, 39.5 degrees Celsius. Fever itself is not a disease but a symptom of an underlying condition. It can be caused by various factors, including infections, such as flu, cold, urinary tract infections, and pneumonia. Inflammatory conditions, like rheumatoid arthritis. Heat stroke or exposure to extreme heat. Certain medications. Immunizations or vaccinations. In most cases, fever is a normal and beneficial response as it helps the body fight off infections by enhancing the immune system's function. However, high or persistent fever can be a sign of a more serious underlying condition and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Treatment for fever usually involves addressing the underlying cause, managing symptoms, such as using over-the-counter fever-reducing medications like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, staying hydrated, and getting plenty of rest. If fever persists or is accompanied by severe symptoms, seeking medical attention is recommended.